Hi, welcome to Recipe for Disaster. This is a re-upload of our C-Day submission last semester. So today I will be going over all of the improvements we've made and the additions. So as you can see, we've added a cookbook that tells you exactly what recipes are available and how to make them. So, as I just showed you the chicken parm recipe, I will go ahead and make that with cheese, chicken, and a vegetable. And here's a first improvement to our minigame, is our mixing minigame. As you can see, it looks much better and it operates much better. And then we have our frying minigame, where you place the frying basket inside the oil, and then wait till it cooks to a golden brown. Perfect. And now we will do the rice cooking minigame, where you will turn on the stove and you will put the rice in until it reaches green and you hit stop. And there we go. You've made a perfect chicken parm. As you can see on the left, all the grading says A. And here is the first set of improvements. Now we have added a ranged weapon in this cannon. We have added more melee combat and more ranged combat within the game, and more textures. As you can see, the combat is working and everything is going smoothly. I apologize about the FPS. I am not sure why my recording is looking like this. Alrighty, and we'll just go ahead and go into this boss room real quick. We will skip the whole dungeon generation for now, and we'll go straight into our new addition, which is the Rat King. This boss fight has 4 intense stages. The first one being the hand slam. The Rat King will try and slam his hands on top of you, and you need to quickly evade him as soon as you can. The second stage will be little rat minions throwing cheese balls onto the stage, and you need to avoid them, or if you get hit, they deal massive damage. The third stage is the hover stage. The rat will hover his hand above your head until he's ready to slam, and when he does, you need to quickly evade, as it comes in pretty quick. The final stage is a combination where you need to do whatever you can to dip, duck, dive, and dodge as you survive your way through this Rat King fight. Once he is defeated, you are able to just win for now, and there will be massive changes in the future. Thank you all for watching.